Up for sale is a 1977 Porsche 911s Targa, finished in this sexy bronze. I know it's a factory original color to the car, with tan interior, original motor which has been rebuilt, 5-speed manual trans. I know it's 4-wheel disc brakes. You Porsche guys, you know all about it. I'm going to walk around it, point out any flaws that I do see, we'll fire it up and then drive it. So if you enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. So this is the second Porsche that we've ever had. The last one was, I think it was like an 83, and it was white. It had a steel body kit on there, butt welded. Really cool car, but this bronze, oh my gosh. I don't mean to just go on like that. But anyway, you know, I'm going to stick down to the basics. Any flaws that I do see will be pointed out. We'll start going with the driver's side today. It's supposed to be a 2-owner car. Couple little chips and stone chips on the mirror here. It's a little windy if it's, sorry if it's a little hard to hear me. Couple little marks right here on the paint and a little bit right down there. All the glass is excellent condition. All the weather stripping is really nice. You could tell that that was all done recently. Targa top is excellent. I don't see anything. There's a couple little things on it, but I don't see anything like a rip or a tear or a gash. I don't see any of that. I know on the door panel or on the door jamb, there are a couple little chips right here, probably from getting in and out. Nice tan interior, again the tan and black trim. I think it's a great combination with the bronze paint. Really, really cool. I have never seen this color before. Door jamb is super nice. There's an original tag down there, made in Western Germany. Nice door jamb here, another tag and another tag, and then this pops the gas lid, sorry. Also, I realized after the fact that the switch I pointed to actually opened the hood trunk, and the front switch opened for the gas. Another thought that I had going back to it, again, I'm cutting in the middle of the video after the fact, it's an original California car, which is why, you know, as you look at the underneath, it's preserved, the body's preserved, no rust. Even with 126,000 miles, I know cars like this are susceptible to it, but being California for however long it was, you know, really preserved the car. You sit in it. Another thing I love about the cars, you know, just like a Volkswagen Bug, the dash cracks a ton. This one has 0. The last one that I had a few. I'll leave it at that. It is AC. It's factory AC, original motor, which has been rebuilt. Now the car shows 129,000 miles on it, and I have the number for the gentleman who rebuilt the motor. So again, if you're interested and you do buy it, more than welcome to call the man, find out everything that he did. Runs super well, drives super well. Here's the shifter. Got a little Porsche pamphlet here with the, well, it looks like a little tag for the factory AC, air conditioner warranty registration. Their customer, I guess that is the whoever owned that new manual, and another manual for it. So that's included with the car. All the gauges are super nice, very clean. No marks, no crap on here. You know what I'm getting at. It's very, very quality dash. Now, other than that, there's 2 little signs of wear right here on the seat. And as I get down here, you'll see the back seat, which is the fold-down back seat if you want to just make it a nice 2-seater with a little bit of storage. And even that back portion is super nice too. So, moving on. Actually, you know what? I'll pop the bonnet, which I know I always have difficulty finding. There we go, right there. Popped it open. And while we're here, just a couple little touch-ups on this front hood here. Again, low to the ground, susceptible to the chips on the angle that this is at. And the front is nice as well with the little fog lamps down low. Let me pop this real quick. And as you get into here, you see the nice bonnet. It's got the original jack set up. And I know down below there's some of that originality to the car and the spare. So, nice and clean. Underhood's nice condition too. It was definitely painted along with the rest of the car. So, there's that. I will close this now. Back to where I left off. There's a couple marks right there. Nice sounding exhaust. Again, the motor was rebuilt. A little Porsche license plate frame will be included with the car. The underneath on the car is excellent. I actually scrubbed the floors where that factory undercoating is, just because I wanted to see how clean it was. And if you do see it in the pictures, which are on the ad, very, very clean. Very, very preserved. Very nice. I just wanted to wipe it off to see how it looked, and as all that dirt started coming off, I just kept going. I was like, okay, I'll keep cleaning. Again, you see this back window, super nice, and this rear compartment as well with the fold-down clips for the back seat. Something on the paint, not a flaw. Nice too. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out. And if you do have any interest, please let us know. If you're from eBay, thanks for checking out the car. Hope you enjoy it. And if you're just here from the YouTube channel, again, thanks for watching. We will fire it up and then drive it soon so you can hear it run, see it drive, all that good stuff. So, and there's a little chip right there in the paint. I don't know what happened there. That's about the worst flaw in the car, which can be touched up. So, there you have it, 1977 Porsche 911s Targa. Here is the motor. Like I said, it has been rebuilt. There's the factory AC. Now, it was rebuilt by a foreign automotive specialist. I did not mention that before, so it was no Hokey Joe who went and rebuilt the motor. He took his time. And like I said, I have the number again. When you get the car, you want to know anything else about it, go ahead, give him a call. But I plan on calling him today and finding out what I can. And anything I do find out will be in the advertisement. So there you go. A couple more decals down here. And I'm going to give him the number, the go ahead. All right, we're ready when you are. he's going to turn. Both working turn signals.